Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Obsidian app to see if it's the right note-taking and knowledge management tool for you in 2025 or if you should just looking elsewhere. Obsidian is known for its powerful linking capabilities, turning your notes into a web of connected ideas that is perfect for deep thinkers and researchers. What makes Obsidian stand out is flexibility and customization. You can use plugins, themes, and markdown support to tailor your workspace exactly how you want it. It works offline, which means your notes are always accessible, and the graph views help visualize your ideas connect. On the downside, the app can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to note-taking apps or prefer something simpler. Setting up and learning all the features takes time. And while there is a free version, some advanced features requires a paid subscription. If you want a powerful customizable tool to organize your thoughts and projects deeply, Obsidian is definitely worth considering. Just be ready to invest some time in learning to get it the most out of it. And thanks for watching. If this helps you decide about the Obsidian app, please like this video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more productivity app reviews and guides. Catch you in the next video.